In this example, we're going to look at the properties of rational exponents, and we are looking at the problem 5a raised to the negative 1/2 power c squared times d to the 3/2 power, all of this squared. Okay. So if you remember, the properties of exponents in general says that if we have something being squared, we could give that square to every term inside of the parentheses. So that's what I'm going to do first. So this is equal to saying 5 squared. Okay, we gave the square to the 5. A to the negative 1/2 squared. C squared squared. And d to the 3/2 squared. So notice I just gave that square, to every part inside of my parentheses. Okay. Then we're going to simplify this. So in order to simplify a power being raised to another power, we use the properties of exponents that tells us that we multiply those powers together. So simplifying this, 5 squared we know is 25. And then for each of these that has a exponent raised to another exponent, we're multiplying. So negative 1/2 times 2 is negative 1. So this is a to the negative 1 power. C squared squared means 2 times 2, so c to the 4th. And d raised to the 3/2 power raised to the 2nd power means 3/2 times 2, which is just 3, because those 2's will cancel out. So this is d cubed. Okay. So this is not completely simplified just yet, because we have that negative exponent a part of the a. Remember, in order to get rid of a negative exponent, we need to move it out of its spot into the opposite spot. So right now, this problem, if we write it as a fraction, is just over 1. So that a to the negative 1 power is in the numerator. So in order to get rid of that negative exponent, we are going to move it to the opposite, which is the denominator. So then I have 25 c to the 4th, d to the 3rd on top, and then just a on the bottom. Because when we moved it to the bottom, that negative 1 turned into a power of 1, and a raised to the 1st power is just a. So this would be our answer.